Welcome to Homework Solution Tutorial for 2F to 2G. This is on question 3. Okay. Here's the function. It is x plus 3 squared. Is this in standard form or intercept form? It's actually not. It's actually in a very interesting form. I don't know if you recognize it. It's actually in vertex form. Vertex form can be written as the function is equal to, remember, a, which is in front, x minus h, you see it's coming back to you, squared, plus, oh, I think I made k green, and I know that I made a red. Okay, I just want to make sure I keep the color consistency so you can tell, right? So if you look at it, you can actually figure out which ones are what. Okay, so take a look. Remember, vertex form is the value of what? H, comma, k. So can we get that very easily? Actually, you can, because h is right here. But remember, it's a plus, so it's a minus. So think about this as like this. X minus negative 3 squared plus k, which is just 0 in this case. So here the vertex is negative 3 and your k is 0. So let's just write that. Let's graph that. Negative, what did I say? Negative 3 comma 0? Yep. Negative 3 comma 0. This is negative 3 comma 0. Alright, how do I find the x-intercepts and y-intercept? Well, you can do it whatever method you want, but I'm just going to go back to, I have the vertex, right? Here, okay, no one likes doing this, but I like doing it. This is in the middle, negative 3 and 0, right? Those are my x's and y's. I'm just going to make my chart. Negative 4, negative 5, right, is what happens as I keep going down. I go up, so negative 2, negative 1, and 0. Remember, you always need a 0 in the x so you can get the y-intercept, okay? All right, let's just repeat this. Ugh, I hate this. Oh, let's plug in, oh, it's very easy because look, here's the function. F of x is equal to x plus 3 squared, right? So let's plug in a negative 2 here. So negative 2 plus 3 squared. Negative 3 plus 2, I think it's a 1 squared, which is just 1. Ah, that's easy. Let me do each one in a different color so you can just tell. If I plug in negative 1, what do I get you? Negative 1 plus 3 squared. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 squared is what? 4? Okay, that looks good. Let's keep going. This is going to take a long time, but that's okay. Let's plug in 0. So 0 plus 3 squared. Oh, that's just 3 squared. Whoa, which is just 9. All right. Let's check negative 4 here. Let me make that red. Negative 4 for the function. So it's negative 4 plus 3 squared. Negative 4 plus 3 is 1 squared, which is what? 1? Ooh, do you see how it's very symmetrical? So the next number, so it's 0 in the middle, 1, 1, so this is 4. I could even do one more. If it's negative 6, I bet you it is 9, right? You see 1, 4, 9, so it's 1, 4, 9. Parabolas, right? Quadratics will have a parabola that is very symmetrical. So let's just graph those points. So the next one is negative 2, 1. So that's your negative 2, 1. And your negative 4, 1. So that's your negative 4, 1 here. Then you have your negative 5, 4. Negative 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's your negative 5, 4. And then you have your 6. No, then you have your what? Negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see how that's your negative 4, 1? No, sorry, is that, no. Negative, That is, yeah, that's your negative 1, 4. Then our 0, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? Yeah. That is your 0, 9. Symmetrical, it would be the negative 6, 9, which is right here. Negative 6, 9. You see? It's very symmetrical. Do I have a good color to pick? How about this color? That looks like a nice color. Try to draw the parabola the best that I can. Ugh. Come on, parabola. There you go. That's how you would look like. Perfect. So, our x-intercepts, we got those. Oh, it was just what? Negative 3, comma 0. There's 2 of them, right? Well, there's only 1 point. Okay. And then your y-intercept, we got that as 0, comma 9. The interval of increasing, because remember the interval is always, the domain interval is negative infinity all the way to infinity. This part, if you notice, this part, it is decreasing, right? This is decreasing. It's decreasing up to this line of symmetry here. So it is decreasing from negative infinity all the way to negative 3. So we write that. Decreasing from negative infinity all the way to negative 3. Then it starts increasing this part. So it starts from negative 3 all the way to infinity. So it starts increasing at negative 3 all the way to infinity. Positive infinity. All right. So I went old school, right? Like the first unit on number 3. You could have done it in other way if you want, but that's how I did it. Okay, there you go.